For years, we've traveled in our Airstream Luna, but we wanted to try something new, so we decided to rent an RV and drive up the west coast. Renting is a great option if you don't own an RV. Kai calls it a house car. For now, it's home. We made it to Coos Bay in Oregon after an incredible drive up the coast of California with spectacular views and looking at the ocean. We slept by the ocean, we slept by the Golden Gate Bridge, and we're here. We're surrounded by evergreens, just an enormous amount of forest. Everywhere we look is just green trees and forests. We're surrounded by national parks. The ocean is not too far away. I can hear it, and we're gonna spend a lot of time outdoors here. The girls are painting rocks and doing chalk right now. You guys are doing a great job, and you're painting with chalk. You're making it so beautiful.
Oh yeah, I'm doing that all the day. And right now I'm doing that all the day too.
You sit on a marker card?
It's fun, it's cute.
It's really cute.
You like it?
Yeah. So come up here?
Yeah.
Okay, come up.
A loft. Cool. What do you think? You like it? You like it.
I think she likes it.
It's Kai approved, right?
Do a somersault.
There is plenty of hiking around this area, so if you are into hiking, you will not be disappointed. We are at the, I'm probably going to butcher this, but South Slough or South Slough or South Slough Reserve. And there are many hiking trails that kind of like intersect with each other, and we're just kind of, I mean, we're with a 2.5-year-old, so we're just kind of picking one and seeing how far we can get.
What'd you find?
I find the flower suburb.
We're on a 2-mile hike, and that 2 miles is gonna seem like 8 miles because Kai is so in the moment, enjoying everything, talking to plants, telling stories. She's absolutely loving it. This is like fairy tale land. Wow. And it's making it seem like that for us too. These leaves are monstrous, and they must have just opened. Like, they look so fresh.
Wow.
See, his eyes are coming out. Oh, his eyes went back in. Let me help you out, buddy. There you go. You want to see him?
You put it in my hand?
No, I don't want to put it in your hand. He might be scared.
He's cool though, huh, Kai?
Wait for his eyes to come out.
We just finished our hike. It took about 2 hours? About 2 hours, and Kai did awesome. Highly recommend this hike if you have small kids. It was fairly easy. Now we are going for much needed dinner. I think it's more dinner actually. It's
Yeah, it'll be dinner.
It's dinner time.
I am hungry. So we're going to, I keep forgetting the name.
High Tide Café.
High Tide Café. It had good reviews. The menu looked really good. And I am craving some fish and chips. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve eating fish and chips until I'm by the sea. And I reserve e it's sustainably caught and it's fresh and delicious, and I'm excited. I'm very excited for this.
So Kai and I, we got the vegan black bean and quinoa burger with rice and vegetables on top.
Yes.
And Sia got some fish and chips. Mm-hmm. All right, it looks really good and it smells good too.
Spicy.
Ooh,
Spicy.
spicy.
You know when you realize something is going to be good before you even take a bite? That's what this is doing.
Ooh,
Beer battered fish and
that
chips.
smells really good.
Yeah.
Really, really good. And
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The batter's so light, so fluffy. It's almost like a warm croissant, hugging delicious, fresh fish.
yeah, really, really good. And it got
You want to try, Kai? You want to tell us how your food is?
my food is really good.
Yeah.
And it's really happy. And it's really, really special. And I'm eating it.
Since I'm eating the same thing as Kai, I don't think I need to do the review because she nailed it. It's really good.
Finished a great dinner. I'm so stuffed. Oh, but we wanted to come to a lookout point for sunset. There's a storm coming in the next few days, so the sunset tonight is going to be incredible. Today I thought I would do an activity by myself and go on a dune buggy. Okay, we're halfway through and it's just been like an hour of amazing dunes and awesome forest paths and going up and down hills. It feels like a roller coaster. Like some of these hills are super steep and like the side by side in front of me like disappears. So it's fun. I like activities that are adventurous and get you outside, and also a bit of adrenaline, which is always fun. Makes you feel alive. Packing up the RV right now because we're headed into town to have a little bit of a family adventure. We've heard there's some cool shops to see and we want to see some more local life and just explore the area. Hey, what are you doing under there?
I'm hiding Papa, Dada,
You're hiding from Dada?
and Mama.
And Mama. Oh, you're doing a good job. I didn't know where you were at all. Just drove for a few minutes from the RV park and now we're here at the water. I'm gonna see if I can find some people catching crab and maybe ask them some questions.
When the tide comes in and it's high tide, you want to drop the pots about an hour before high tide. And then you soak, we call it soaking, and the crab will come in there, and then you just start pulling the pots. We have about 6 pots out there. You can have 3 pots per licensed person. You pull them up on the boat, and then you measure the crabs, and you keep the males that are 6 inches, and you throw everything else back. So that's what this is here for, because when the crabs are whole, you take the crab and you hit it here. The big shell is on top, so you hit it here, and then you reach up under the shell and you grab this part, and it just comes out. And
Neat.
yeah.
She hasn't noticed yet that there's candy here. That's a cute dog.
I'm hugging it.
Kai just got wind of all the popcorn and all the sugar and all the candy and all the gummies and everything, and she's running around going crazy. So we're gonna pick what we want and get out of here pretty fast because she's excited.
Everybody, let's go.
Okay, listen, Kai, I'll tell you a couple of flavors.
Which ones do you want?
That one and that one and that one. I want to eat all of them.
Good choice.
Sure you do.
That's really good too.
Want to try it?
Tastes like black.
You have to eat it, Kai. Eat it.
How can we go?
Where are you going? Are you out of here? Are you breaking out? Wait, where are you going?
We still have to pay. We have to pay for our stuff.
Oh, yeah, Tell me again, what do you have?
Bag of food.
You got food?
Bag of food.
We generally eat very clean and healthy. But, you know, when there's a candy shop down the street,
It's been highly recommended.
yeah, you also gotta live.
Our time in Coos Bay has come to an end. It's been great here. I'm excited to hit the road again, though, and visit some more sun outdoor locations.
Totally. Yeah, we're gonna go home right now and pick up our Airstream, get her ready to hit the road, and see more of this beautiful country and all the different parks and outdoor locations. And it's just the road trip of a lifetime. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Hopscotch Roadmap. Be sure to watch the next episode where our family road trips to a new destination. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos.